Welcome to brain training. So today we will be playing rock, paper, scissors. So we've got a rock. If you don't know how to play, you've got a rock, and what beats rock is the paper. And then if we have paper, what beats it is the scissors. Rock, paper, and then scissors, and then the rock blunts the scissors. So this is the main one, and this is the one that's going to cover it up. So we play that. So we've got rock, paper, which is scissors cut, and then scissors. Rock, paper, and scissors. And then see if you can play it with the other hand. Rock, so what blunts it? Oh, wraps. The paper, scissors, a rock, paper, scissors. Let me know how you got on. If you don't know rock, paper, scissors, it might be quite difficult. But we've got the rock, paper covers it, paper, scissors, and then scissors, paper. So you can then have a play. I just did that twice. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how you get on with this one. Take care. Bye-bye. So we've got rock, paper, scissors, a rock, paper, scissors. All right. So the next one, what are we going to do? Yes. So we can tap here and then circle with this hand. Or what I tend to do normally is on the side of the legs, but it's just because the way that I'm seated, you can see me better. So tapping with one hand and circling with the other. Tapping with one hand. And circling with the other. And then switching, circling with the other hand, and then tapping. I'm trying not to tap because I don't want my microphone to tap. But when I don't do it, my hand circles, so you might be finding that. So circling with one hand, tapping with the other. Circling with one hand, and tapping with the other. Good, and releasing. So this one we're going to try to draw a triangle. Triangle with one hand. Circle with the other. Triangle and circle. Let me know how you get on.